Hello everyone, welcome to Angela Anatomy Classroom. So today we are going to study about the muscles of the scapula. So for your convenience, I have drawn here two diagrams. First is dorsal surface of a scapula. This is the dorsal surface of a scapula, and this is the ventral surface of the scapula. So first of all, we would discuss the muscles originating from the scapula, from the dorsal surface. So first is supraspinatus muscle. Supraspinatus muscle, it distances the arm from the body and it originates from the supraspinous fossa. See, I have already told you about the supraspinous fossa, infraspinous fossa and other important structures in the previous videos. If you are not getting about the important structures, just go to the previous lectures, revise about all this, and then you will understand better. So now coming to the infraspinatus muscle. Infraspinatus muscle originates from the infraspinous fossa and it is responsible for shoulder lateral rotation. Now talking about the deltoid muscle, it begins at the acromions lateral border and travels down the lower border of the spine's crest. This is deltoid. This whole is deltoid. Now coming to the triceps brachii muscle. It arises from the infraglenoid tubercle. Triceps arises from the infraglenoid tubercle. It induces elbow extension. Now coming to the teres major muscle. It originates from the lower portion of the lateral border. This is the lateral border and this is the lower portion of the lateral border and the posterior surface of the inferior angle. Now coming to the teres minor muscle. This muscle performs lateral rotation at the shoulder joint and it arises from the lateral border of the posterior surface. Now coming to the subscapularis muscle, which originates from the ventral surface. It arises from the subscapular fossa and is responsible for medial rotation and compression of the shoulder joint. Now coming to the omohyoid muscle, it is located on the superior border. Here you can see omohyoid muscle next to the suprascapular notch and it depresses the hyoid bone. So this was all about muscles originating from the scapula. Also we have few set of muscles which insert into the scapula. So first is rhomboid minor muscle. Okay, it gets inserted above the spine of the scapula. The scapula is elevated and retracted as a result of its action. Next is rhomboid major. It is inserted at the medial border. It elevates and retracts the scapula. Now coming to the serratus anterior muscle. It inserts from the superior to the inferior angle along the medial border. It rotates, stabilizes and protracts the scapula. Pectoralis minor. This muscle inserts into the coracoid process. Scapular depression and protraction are facilitated by it. Next is the another important muscle which inserts into the scapula is trapezius muscle. Here you can locate the trapezius muscle. This muscle is superiorly inserted along the spine, acromion and clavicle. You can see here, you can locate here. Next important muscle which inserts into the scapula is levator scapulae. This muscle gets inserted into the superior angle and medial border. They assist in lifting the scapula. So this was all about the important muscles of the scapula. I think one important muscle is left that originates from the scapula, which is biceps. This was left. So the short head originates from the coracoid process and the long head arises from the supraglenoid tubercle. So this was biceps brachii, and I think I have taught you almost all the muscles that originate and insert into the scapula. If you have any queries or suggestions, you can message me. I have given my number, or you can comment in the comment section. I will answer you there as well. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support. Keep joining Angela Anatomy Classroom. Thank you very much.